Ever looked up at the sky and wondered why it's so blue, or how something as delicate as a rainbow forms after a storm? These everyday phenomena might seem ordinary, but when you dive into the science behind them, the answers are truly mind-blowing. Today, we're uncovering the fascinating science behind 10 everyday occurrences that you might take for granted. From the secrets of the sky to the mysteries of floating ice, stick around because the world around you is about to get a whole lot more interesting. And hey, if you've ever argued with a friend about why toast always falls butter side down, don't worry. We've got science for that too. Phenomenon number 1. Why is the sky blue? The sky's blue hue comes down to a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering. When sunlight hits the Earth's atmosphere, shorter blue wavelengths scatter in all directions, making the sky appear blue to our eyes. But if blue light scatters so much, why doesn't the sky look purple? Stick around to find out later. Phenomenon number 2. Why do rainbows form? Rainbows happen when sunlight enters a raindrop, slows down, and bends or refracts. The light then splits into different colors, creating the arc of a rainbow. Each raindrop acts like a tiny prism. Phenomenon number 3. Why does ice float? Unlike most substances, water is unique. When it freezes, its molecules form a crystalline structure that takes up more space than liquid water. This makes ice less dense than water, so it floats. Imagine how different life would be if ice sank. Phenomenon number 4. Why do your joints crack? That satisfying crack in your joints? It's caused by gas bubbles in the synovial fluid between your joints collapsing when the joint is stretched. No, it's not your bones breaking. It's physics in action. Phenomenon number 5. Why does toast always fall butter side down? It's not bad luck. It's science. A falling piece of toast typically doesn't have enough time to rotate fully before it hits the ground, so it often lands butter side down. Blame gravity and the height of your table. Phenomenon number 6. Why do we get brain freeze? When something cold touches the roof of your mouth, blood vessels constrict and then rapidly expand. This sudden change triggers pain signals to your brain, causing that sharp headache we call a brain freeze. Phenomenon number 7. Why do we yawn? Yawning is your brain's way of cooling down. When your brain gets too warm, a yawn brings in cool air to regulate its temperature. And yes, yawns are contagious. Seeing someone yawn might subconsciously signal your brain to stay alert. Phenomenon number 8. Why do leaves change color in fall? As days get shorter, trees produce less chlorophyll, the pigment that makes leaves green. With chlorophyll gone, other pigments like carotenoids and anthocyanins take the stage, creating the vibrant colors of fall. Phenomenon number 9. Why does your hair stand on end in winter? Static electricity is the culprit. In dry winter air, electrons build up on your skin and transfer to objects you touch, creating a mini electric shock that makes your hair stand on end. Phenomenon number 10. Why do stars twinkle? Stars twinkle because their light passes through layers of Earth's atmosphere, which constantly shift due to temperature and wind. The light bends slightly, making stars appear to flicker. So there you have it, 10 everyday phenomena explained by science. From the blue sky to twinkling stars, science helps us see the extraordinary in the ordinary. If you love discovering the science behind everyday life, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like this video and share it with someone who's always curious. Who knows? You might just answer a question they've been wondering about for years.